Going to my factory work in the UK, get dressed with me. Mama, how do you normally look when going to work? When I was working as a factory worker in Birmingham, the only thing I hate about them is how they dress. No sexiness at all. Until they find sexiness for factory work. Even me myself, the first day when I go to work, I wear wig, wear makeup, say now, baby, now they go. I don't know, say, anyway, now the next day, my spirit tell me, say, my sister dress accordingly. If not, now you go suffer around. By the time you won't scratch your face, you tire, you won't put your hand for jaw, you know, go fit. Now that one they call discomfortation. The first day, when you not quick me to clean my makeup before going to work after my TikTok video, as I enter reception, everybody was like, wow. It come like saying another person that they get. Diva. I say, show. I not fair fine before. Hey, all right, my people, this one our TikTok video makeup make I clean and come on before I enter work. I don't fish out. Now, this one I'll look trouser. I won't wear the coat now. Go make you even wear 37 trouser. You know, go see like say you wear anything. Come carry my inner wear, put on top. This one are the second inner wear. I mean the second inner wear. Shall I not say this material they hot wear? Yes, so you need them. And you go make sure say all the inner wear where you they wear, none of them too tight. Because if you tight, my sister, now you go still suffer ram. Discomfortation is the second name. This one are the second trouser. Jesus, oh my goodness, everything need to be large, extra large, so that you go there comfortable. Then this one are the outer wear. So these two cloth not reach. No, my sister, I not reach. You need to be cantiwi because the code not be here. So this one are the uniform. If you don't wear around like this, you know, if you enter there, is it protective wear? All right, guys. This one are the capo. No wig for this kind of industry. Yes, so you need to carry and put her. Wait till make me call the laugh. As I want put her, I come like say I resemble all these Igbo elderly men. When they act film, I just laugh. Anyway, and so we see I'm carry and put for head. Even this is what I still they do. So remove the earring. It's no discomfortation. I mean it. No this. You don't need anything that will discomfort you. The only thing you need now lip gloss. And not be you want on the smile, then the lip will come the cut. You need to moisturize and keep you moisture all the time. Okay, this one a hand glove. Oh, my blessed colleague. Now carry and can't give me one. He said, I think you need hand glove. Anytime I be say they shake me, oh my hand go cold. Say, you need hand glove. I say, okay, no wahala. I go get on myself. They work. I also say carry and I say, oh, better God go bless you. So on our coffee to see the day, go keep you active, brightness, you know, no sleeping of the day. And this one I water carry and put for inside. This one are biro. They still even give you biro for inside. This one are the tiara to take the inner products. Yes. Then this is the biro to write what you have taken from the ministry. Write it down. Now the stockings and the shoe. But wait, people when go they fight for Sabisa Forest. Share that they wear this kind of shoe. The thing strong again. If you not wear one, you not go enter inside the factory home. Okay, this one I mean. The cat talk, they go down. Oh, Jehovah, see what they turn this speaking to. Anyway, as anything they do, make your priority. Open my door as my taxi don't call me. Say it's time to go to work. Guys, I hope you love this video. Thank you so much for always supporting. I love you guys. You know, I love you. Like and share, comment. Bye bye.